Happy Sunday, y'all. So if you are tired and you are in paralysis, you are trying everything to learn how to build up the confidence in becoming a loan signing agent. I mean, you're on YouTube, you're on TikTok, you have all these favorite mentors and people that you're listening to, and you still have not taken any action on launching your business, then keep listening. Sade, your notary mentor here. So I want to help you. If you are new to being a notary, or if you're even thinking about notary and you are in paralysis, or if you know what to do, but you're just scared to get up the confidence to do it, then I have launched a course, me and along with Stephanie Russo of Notary 10X. She's a field inspector expert. She's a signing service owner. I'm a signing service owner. And I also pull in $8K a month as a notary signing agent. We are collaborating together to help pull you out of confusion, pull you out of paralysis, so that way you can get into this billion-dollar industry of being a mobile notary. In this class, it's called Clarity and Cash Flow for New Notary Signing Agents and Field Inspectors. We're going to be covering the different credentials that you need. We're going to be covering how you can actually build up relationships and get repeat business from some high-paying customers. You know, there are some major players in this industry, and once you prove your weight in gold, they won't deny you a closing. Come on here. So we want to be able to show you how to become a preferred notary and get your cash flow, how to have multiple streams of income in this industry so you can build up your cash flow. We want to take away the confusion. It will be a roadmap: A, B, C, D. But when you are on YouTube and you're on TikTok, you're hearing all of this information. I once heard a girl say on TikTok that the industry would tell you that you do not need a laser printer, that you can just get a printer. Lies. The industry requires a laser printer, not an inkjet printer. Why? Because if it rains and that package hits water, because most of packages are shipped via cardboard, right? FedEx and UPS, those are cardboard. So if water hits that, or any type of moisture hits that, guess what? The ink is going to be all over the place. The industry prefers laser jet printers for a reason, but there was a person on TikTok telling you, you don't need a laser jet printer. You can do an inkjet printer. See, that's what I'm talking about. Come and sit at the master's table. $8K a month. Come and sit at the master's table. Signing service owners. You can't be a signing service owner until you have maxed out your capacity individually to close loan signings. That means you're getting so many offers that you have to subcontract out to other notaries. And you only get that by being excellent. You only get that by being consistent. You only get that by being a good notary public as well as an excellent notary signing agent. And me and Stephanie Russo are going to teach you how to launch your business. It's not just about being a notary. It's not just about making money, but it's about establishing legacy and establishing generational wealth. So we want to formally invite you to the Clarity and Cash Flow Masterclass that is going to take place on the 31st. It's going to be a 2-day class. The first class we're going to cover is going to be a welcome, and we're going to cover everything you need to launch your notary signing business. There will be a Q&A portion via chat. If you sign up for VIP after everyone else gets off, then you will have one-on-one time. You and the group is going to be a group coaching session where for an hour and a half, you get to answer all of the questions that was covered in that day. You will also have access to replays. You will have access to workbooks, and you will get me and Stephanie's top 10 or top 50, depending on the package that you chose, right? According to your finances, you and your investment, because it's an investment. That's why I didn't put price or cost. I put investment because you're investing in your future. So you would get anywhere between 10 to 50 field inspection companies and loan signing companies that have been tried and true by both me and Stephanie. Right? So you already starting off with a client list. You're going to get scripts of what to say, so that way you can win the hearts of the signing companies, win their confidence, right? Because you have to be able to win their trust and win their confidence. And it starts with that phone call. We're going to give you the scripts to be able to do so. It's work for me. It's work for her. Both of us have been in this game. Most people fizzle out within about 1 or 2 years. We both have renewed our commissions. We're making great money being in this industry as field inspectors and notary signing agents. So I want you to go ahead and sign up for the class and sign up for it. Don't delay. Don't let people trick you out of it. Don't even let your mind trick you out of it, because sometimes fear can masquerade as wisdom. Hear me. Sometimes fear can masquerade as wisdom. And we are offering this class in 4 payments, whether that be Klarna, whether that be Afterpay, whether that be Affirm. You can pay it off in 4 payments. But you are going to have 2 jam-packed days of not just overwhelm, but action steps. It's a masterclass. Day 1, we're going to be covering loan signings. Day 2, we're going to be covering field inspections, right? Because we want you to be able to have multiple streams of income. So suppose, I know you guys are out there on social media, right? And you hear, oh, it's slow, it's slow, it's slow. Well, what about if you can balance the slowness of your notary signing agent business with that of field inspections? When you have 2 of those going, there is no slow time unless you deem it to be so, because you need to rest. Okay, so it's a lot to do. We want to invite you to the Clarity and Cash Flow Masterclass. We're going to give you clarity. We're going to give you direction. We're going to help boost your confidence. We are going to help you to increase your cash flow. So we are inviting you out to our 2-day masterclass to help you to become successful in this industry. A lot of notaries, they quit because they don't have the right mentorship. We're mentors, we're teachers, we're trainers. They don't have the right support system. I have a whole Facebook support group that you will be able to join in. So it just doesn't end with just the class, but we have ongoing support for you. The Mobile Notaries of America empowerment group for notaries. Everyone that comes through any type of class that I offer, anybody that comes into any of my classes, you automatically get to come into the Facebook group with all previous and past graduates. Okay, so we want to empower you. We want to help to mentor you into your success. You don't have to try to figure it all out by yourself. Listen to all these different people giving you good information. Not all information is bad, but it can be confusing. Not all information is wrong, but it can be confusing and it can lead you to overwhelm. So if you are not quite sure of what you need to do to launch your business, then you need to sign up for this Clarity and Cash Flow Masterclass. If you are tired of having more bills than money at the end of the month, then you need to step out on faith and invest in yourself, invest in your business, invest in your future. And sign up for the Clarity and Cash Flow. If you are dealing with confidence issues where you think you have the information, but you're just not quite sure of how to do a loan closing, or you just don't feel comfortable, then guess what? You need to sign up for the Clarity and Cash Flow Masterclass. May 31st, track 1, day 1, all loan signing. Day 2, Stephanie will take over as a field inspector expert. Out in California, I'm in Oklahoma. This is not a state-specific training. It's general information that can be utilized to really grow out your business. I'm also a business coach. I help to take one specific client from being barely able to make payroll to running a $1 million business. Come on, yeah, I'm on that. I'm on that. And I want to help you to be a success. Stephanie is passionate about wanting you to be a success. So go ahead, sign up for the class. You will not regret it. There is also a 2-day refund. So if you're not pleased with the class, of course, we would try to work with you. But if you're not pleased with it, we will offer you a refund. But that will expire after 2 days because it is a digital product. So go ahead, sign up. I'm here for you. Stephanie's here for you. We want to see you soar. We want to see you thrive. We want to see you be success. Sign up today. Bye-bye.